this is Dominic with SafeandVaultStore.com, and if you're building a gun room, I'm going to show you the lockdown SecureWall Firearm display panels. These panels come in 3 different sizes, 24 by 32, 24 by 16, or 24 by 4. They also come in a standard or a heavy-duty configuration. The standard will hold up to 100 pounds and is made of 16 gauge steel, and the heavy duty, which is this one here, is made of 14 gauge steel and will hold up to 200 pounds. This pattern on the panels is a proprietary pattern and is compatible with these SecureWall accessories, but you can also use standard pegboard hooks as well. You can see these slots go end to end, so it maximizes the use of these accessories. And then you'll see these holes on the panel. These are used to mount to the wall, and you can see there's several holes on the panel to mount it, along with the hardware to secure it to the wall. So we have our standard panel and our heavy duty panel, and you can mix and match them together depending on what you have as far as firearms and different accessories. So if you have something that's heavier, you could use the heavy duty panel, and then your lighter weight stuff, you can use the standard panels, but they can go together and mix and match. The lockdown panels, you can order different accessories with them. For example, this shelf that you can set the stock of the rifle on, or you can set items on it. You've got this pistol holder, and it's angled to save room. You also have this handgun hanger as well. And then you've got this hook, which you can hook things onto like a vest or a helmet. And then down here we've got a rifle holder, so hold your rifles, and then a basket for any accessories. Even if you don't have firearms, you can use these lockdown SecureWall panels to store other items like tools. If you have any questions, you can always give us a call at 800-207-2259, and you can find these on our website at www.SafeandVaultStore.com. Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest updates of all of our products and videos.